Hello everyone, welcome to new series of Tableau, and today our third lesson. In this lesson, I would like to explain what's the parameters and make some visualizations with it. Actually, for our lesson, I would like to use orders table and people. Just double click it and put the people. I would like just to use left join, then switch to sheet 1. Actually, I explained what's the calculated field in the previous video. Today, I would like to explain what's the parameters, and for that, it's better to create one and explain on it. Create parameters, as we can see there. Create parameter. Name it numbers of cities. I would like. I'm going to explain what's the reason of it. You can choose your data type. For our purpose, it's better to use integer. Current value is 1, and these ones are default. You can use list or range. I would like to use just range for making it automatically to increasing numbers. Yes, maximum is 10, step size is 1, and that's okay. Actually, it's our parameter. For that show parameter option, you will be visible in the right part of the screen, numbers of cities. For example, let's take city and add all members and sum of sales, for example, replace with each other. There are many cities, as we can see. Let's sort them in ascending order, how it was done in the first lecture. Field ascending order, that's okay. And I would like to explain how to use parameters in there. Just drag and drop city to filters. We can see some options. Option we done previous time. There were option by field when we put 10 there and applied, and we see top 10 cities with sum of sales, where the sum of sales is very high, actually. But for making a relation with our parameters, we have to choose the option again, but not 10. We have to click there, as you can see, number of cities, click, apply, and okay. As you can see, number of cities is 1, therefore it shows only one city, top highest. When it's 2 cities, third, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, you can do many things with the parameters. And let's make another one for better explanation. Okay, let's take cities again, because it has or name also. Yes, more than enough. And discount rate. So discount with each other. Sort them in descending order. And put the product name. Let's use, for example, more cities also there. Show parameters. 5, 6. In this case, also this parameters, it works, but name of it should be changed because of the making it meaningful. And as we can say, we can divide all the discount rate to regions by coloring them. Default, it chooses the colors, and also we can create one more for example, calculated fields for calculating quantity, discount, profit, sales. What we can calculate is quantity multiplied by sales, total sales, sorry, total sales. Sales multiplied by as we can see, top 8 product names with high discount, and for each one we split this discount to regions, and for each regions we see total sales. We can format also total sales numbers. It was done previously, negative or sign. Okay, it's better than previous view. Actually, it's all about today. See you in next class.